It's Friday night. You call me crying, and I know what you say, 'cause I hear it every once in a while. You say it's been rough, you just wanna get drunk. So come on over, babe, let's drink the pain away with your love. You love me like your moonshine, only sip me on those hard nights, 'cause you know I'll be by your side, dear. Sometimes I'll be your moonshine. Beers for the bar, whiskey's too dark. You need something to take away the pain and all the hate in your heart. You say we ain't right, it's just not our time. Somehow all those feelings go away when we start getting and shine high. Yeah, you love me like your moonshine, only sip me on those hard nights, 'cause you know I'll be the love you show these nights would last. You love me like your moonshine, only sip me on those hard nights, 'cause you know I'll be by your side, dear. Sometimes I'll be your moonshine. Take it away. As it grows, but babe, you rest so well if you fall. And he was right about one thing. I fell down, but I got back up. Almost quit, but I can't so much. And now it's clear to me, I won't die for what I can't reach. All I need is the life in me. You can make your history. I'll be down here a little more happy. other tree. The air was bitter cold, so I looked down below, and way out in the distance I could see another life, another me. I fell down but I got back up, almost quit but I can't too much, and now it's clear. I won't die for what I can reach, all I need is the life in me. You can make your history. I'll be down here, a little more happy. More happy. I'm down below, but I have grown so much more than up in that damn tree. I fell down, but I got back up, almost quit, but I can't do much, and now it's clear to me. I won't die for what I can reach, all I need is the life in me. You can make your history. I'll be down here, a little more, be down here, a little more. I'll be down here, a little more happy. Ooh, happy. There's a cardinal in the window, looking in while bluebird sleeps. The closest word I can think of, generosity. Giving more than you take it, like a firefly when the sun goes down. It took all her energy to smile. Generosity. But you and the cardinal fly together now in the sun rays, in that warm Chicago town. It feels a little colder now. There's a day we don't mention, a holy silence about the day you left. We took turns saying thank you, then you let that old bird in. So you and that cardinal fly together now in the sun rays, just like you to be thinking of me then. I fall asleep at night and I wonder if you're real or a trick of the mind. Your voice is quiet, but I feel it resonate in my throat like it's mine. And you ask me, do you remember that blood is thicker than you know? Run all you want, it won't go cold. And the way for you to come back home, don't say you'd rather be alone. I'm up at 2 a.m. and I swear I see a shape at the end of the bed. Don't close your eyes, my love. You can try to shut me out, but it won't be enough. And I ask you if you remember that blood is thinner than you know. You can't just smile and let it go. I'm not the girl you used to know. Who are you asking to come back home? Who are you asking to come back home? My love looks over at me, and I'm reminded that I'm home with my family. 'Cause love